Making cookies with Grandma? What do you do with the cookies?
Eat 'em.
You decorate them?
Yeah.
Where's Santa's helper, elf? Where's the little elf?
We had that
Hey,
thing.
look.
What?
Look.
Oh,
Look
don't
at
we
what?
have that thing to put around them?
Oh, God.
Huh?
No.
No, not with the cookie shoot. We don't
Open
use it.
that one. Open that one.
Open that one. Oh, he wants it.
Oh.
Open that one.
Oh.
We're going to do the trees first, okay?
Yeah.
And Mommy's going to make something next. What are you going to make, Mommy?
Open that one.
Mommy's going to make snowflakes?
If I can figure it out.
You can figure it out. And what's Poppy doing over there? Poppy?
Open that.
Cutting a deer.
The only one he's ever caught. He bought from Home Depot.
Only Bucko.
Open that one. Open that one.
It only cost $1.
Open that one.
Huh?
Man, women are cruel, Liam.
Oh.
I don't see him going out in the woods.
Oh,
Look at Liam decorating. Oh, wow.
look. Okay. Wait.
Oh, wow.
Wait, take the check.
Okay.